Hi everybody. Today we're going to learn the true story of butterflies. We've all read the fun butterfly book about the very hungry caterpillar, about eating lollipops and cakes, and it's a fun book and it's very pretty. But the true story is a little bit different. So here we go. Look at that. Butterflies start out as little eggs. The mother butterfly lays eggs on the leaf. And soon the egg hatches. And the caterpillar comes out. First it's little and then it gets bigger. And just like a snake will shed its skin when it outgrows its skin, the butterfly will shed its skin. Not the butterfly, the caterpillar will shed its skin and get a new skin. And they eat and eat and eat lots of leaves. And they stay a caterpillar about 10 to 12 days. Just going around eating leaves. Yum, 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 yum. Then they attach themselves to a twig and just hang out upside down. And look at this. Something starts to happen on the outside. A covering starts to form called a chrysalis. Can you say that? Chrysalis. And it covers them all up. And they just hang out for about 7 to 10 days, about another week, a little over a week. And it looks like they're just hanging out and just sleeping. But inside the chrysalis, inside there, the caterpillar is changing into a butterfly. That little chrysalis gets kind of dry, and then it starts to shake, and out comes the butterfly. When the butterfly first comes out, it's all wet, and it sits on the chrysalis, and it shakes. It flaps its wings and dries out. Then the butterfly flies away. Have you got lots of butterflies in your yard? Next time you're outside, see if you see some butterflies. Look at that. There are all kinds of butterflies. And they are all different colors. I've seen yellow butterflies and purple butterflies and blue butterflies. And the one I took a video the other day was black with a little blue and a little bit of yellow and a little bit of orange. It was beautiful. There are over 17,000 different kinds of butterflies. Woo! So all the butterflies have certain parts. Let's look at their parts. They have wings on each side. They have antenna. See, there's their little antenna. And they have a body that has two parts. The top part of the body, you see that? It's called the thorax. The thorax holds all the legs. So on one side of the thorax, there are 3 legs, and on the other side, there's 3. And then the bottom, the long skinny part of the bottom, is their abdomen. And look at these butterflies. They're the same on each side. They have 3 legs on one side, 3 legs on the other. One eye, one eye. One antenna, one antenna. And the colors are the same. So if they have little dots of color here, they have little dots of color there. That's called symmetrical. They're the same on each side. Can you say that word? Symmetrical. It means they're the same. So, how do they drink all of the nectar? Because remember, when they were caterpillars, they were eating leaves. But when they become butterflies, they go around to flowers and they sip nectar. It's something sweet inside each flower. Well, you can't see it here, but in the other picture, they have It's like a little straw. See that? They probe. It's called a proboscis. Probing. It's proboscis. It's a little straw right there. And they stick it inside the flowers and get the nectar. How cool is that? So when you go outside and you see butterflies lying on flowers, they're sticking their little straw into the flower and getting the nectar. So that is the true story of butterflies. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.